Miss or Mrs. Kushinarang?
The Miss.
Miss Kushinarang, please tell us about yourself.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. I am Khushi Naran from Gurgaon. I have finished my schooling at Ramji School. I have a BCom honors and a master's in commerce degree, both from Delhi University. Talking about my strengths, being a very family oriented person, it has helped me work well with teams. I enjoy collaborating with people. In college, also, I worked with a cultural team of 25 members to organize various events, which really strengthened my teamwork skills. I pay close attention to details and have a strong analytical skills that help me solve problems effectively. As a recent postgraduate as well, I bring a strong sense of flexibility and adaptability to learning new concepts and things. I understand the importance of hard work and consistently strive to deliver my best in every task I take on. I approach assignments with enthusiasm and a commitment to excellence, eager to contribute and grow in any role I take on. Thank you.
So is this your first mock or second mock with me?
So second mock.
Which date you are having your interview in New Delhi, na?
Yes, sir. On 6th November.
Yeah. No, it's nice. You told very well. But the first time when you talked, also you must have told similar to this. Did I give any comment on this?
No, sir.
But now, after listening to you, I am tempted to put a comment that it looks as if you have mugged up this and are presenting it.
Okay, sir.
So it is not a negative point, but instead of giving this impression, you can go slow sometimes. Instead of going straight away going, you can go little slower on occasions. You can stop, smile, and then go with the next sentence like that. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, they will form a very good impression about you as far as communication skill in English is concerned. You talk very well. I'm really happy about it. But then it should not give a feeling as if you are mugged up and are coming here with that idea. Anyhow, that will be known when we go for further questions. Yeah, you studied Master of Commerce.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what is the balance sheet of Federal Bank revealing about itself?
Um, the total business of the bank is in the quarter two is 4 lakh 99,000 uh, crore, and so
4
what
point,
exactly?
no, 4.99 lakh crore bol do na. That is easy.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
what
tell me.
exactly do
Yeah,
I need to
actually,
answer?
for this question, the answer will be that you started rightly. The balance sheet of as on 30th September tells that the total business is this much, profit made is this much, ROA is this much, ROE is this much, GNPA, like that you should tell. And
Yes, sir.
you can also comment that it has improved considerably. First time this highest net profit has been achieved. The net worth also is like this. So that way you can comment on they will not go very deep into in your case. For chartered accountants, they ask very tough questions. You must have seen questions asked to chartered accountant. Did you see that in the paper
Yes, sir.
or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
I did.
That will be really slightly tougher. So you please tell me the business figures as on 30th September.
Yes, sir. So the total business of the bank was 4.99 lakh crore. The net profit is the highest till now, which is 1,056 crores, which had grew from for 10.79% from the quarter one. The operating profit is also the highest ever, which was
No, no,
uh,
no, no.
1,565.
Listen.
Yes, sir.
Quarter one figure was thousand something. Now it is 1057. So
1,009. Yeah.
1057, 1009, 1057. That means 50 out 50 divided by 1000 into 100. I think it comes to 5% only. They are telling 10% based on year.
Okay.
Last second quarter, the figure was this. From that figure, now it has grown by 10%.
Okay, sir. We'll take care.
Yeah, that was a small error. So please take note. Now tell me
Yes.
about other details.
So the ROA for the quarter two was 1.28%, and the ROE stood at um, 13.65%. The GNPA was 2.09, and the NNPA was at 0.57%. The total deposits has increased uh, to the total deposits has been increased by 15.56%, and the total net advances increased.
Yeah. When you tell percentage, you should tell compared to what? Year on year basis.
Okay.
Year on year means in the second quarter of 2023, figure what was that? And now what is the figure? What is the jump? You follow?
I get it, sir, but right now I don't know what it was in 23. I'll check on that.
No, but you told 15. It must be only the last year figure. It can, because this time it was 2.66 lakh crore last quarter. Now it has risen by 0.33. So 0.33 divided by 2.66. If you put, it won't come to 15% and all.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Is it
Uh,
coming to 15%? Let me check up. I'm not sure. Mm, Just a minute. Calculator. Yeah. 0.33 divided by 2.66 into 100. Acha, it comes to 12.40%. It comes to 12.40%, but the 15% you are telling must be, if it is, acha, you are telling based on the press release only, no? You are
yes,
telling
sir.
based on, yeah, very good. Now continue with other data.
So the total net advances increased by 19.45%, and net interest income uh, is rupees 2,367 crores, which has grew on the yearly basis by 15.11%.
Now, 1 minute. Don't, if you remember very correctly, you can talk. Otherwise, just tell the figure that is available now. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That will be better. Good. What is the net worth of the bank?
Mm.
Hello, 30,000
Net
something.
worth,
The last figure, 30,000,
net to
31,108 crore.
okay. Okay, sir.
Are you seeing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now, please tell me how you will fit into this role, because this job requires more of marketing skills. Can you
Yes.
convince me by selling this pen? Imagine you are in your company, they have introduced this pen for the first time, and you are the marketing chief. What strategies are you going to adopt? And how, what points you will tell to, supposing you are talking to dealers?
Oh, okay. So, like, imagine having a pen uh, that not only writes smoothly, but like also feels very great in your hand. So let me introduce you to this pen. It is very perfect for all your needs. Whether you're taking notes in a class, signing any important document, or maybe brainstorming any new idea. So I think this pen really stands out for its quality. It also glides very effortlessly on a paper. Uh, it also makes writing a pleasure rather than a disturbing experience. Um, Plus, I think it also very comfortable to hold for long periods, so you won't have to worry about the hand fatigue, or uh, when it is used for extended writing sessions. And I think best of all, it is very affordable, which is giving you a high quality pen without even taking so much of money from you. And I am confident that once you experience how smooth and reliable this pen is, you will see why this pen is a must-have in your collection.
Mm. But I told you you are talking to dealers, so there you will tell we are offering you attractive commissions, discounts for this, and please try to increase the sale of this product, something like that you will add. Okay, you managed very well, no problem. Now, please tell me about RBI and its functions.
Yes, sir. So the Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of our country, which was established in 1935. It plays an important role as it also regulates the country's monetary policy, and it also issues currency. It manages the foreign exchange as well. The RBI basically aims to maintain the financial stability and oversees the banking sector, and it also serves as the banker to the government and provides essential financial services as well to support the economic growth of our country. And talking about the functions of the Reserve Bank of India, it issues and manages the currency and distribution of the coins. It is the banker to the government, it is the banker to the bank, it is the lender of last resort, it is the controller of the credit.
Sufficient. Now, please tell me what is CSR activities?
Yes, sir. Corporate social responsibility. Uh, CSR is basically a business model that involves integrating social and environmental concerns into the company's operations.
How much funds to be allocated for this?
That I don't know, sir. I'm sorry.
Hmm. I think
Sir,
2%. There is some definition for that.
okay, I'll
In
look
one or
into.
two classes, they have asked this.
Yes, sir.
Please read these things correctly. Are you seeing on the screen now?
Yes, sir.
No. Please read. In
Neighboring
India,
st- in
acha,
India.
that's not shown. Acha.
Yes. In India, stringent corporate social responsibility regulations require eligible companies to actively participate in the CSR endeavors by allocating a minimum of 2% of the average net profit from the preceding 3 financial years towards CSR projects. The CSR applies to companies that meet any of the following financial thresholds.
That thresholds, I think it is. Hmm, the thresholds, what is it? Why don't you go through some of the videos and get to know them? I am
Sure,
not
sir.
able to tell
Yes.
you. I'm not able to tell you immediately. Um, yeah, but apart from that, you should also go through the CSR of Federal Bank also. Okay.
Yes, sir, I know about it.
Yeah, but one thing, Wikipedia, if we go, it will tell Wikipedia, India, CSR. Chacha, the threshold means I think it tells about at this point economic responsibility, legal responsibility, ethical responsibility, philanthropic responsibility, and um, that definition will do. Last 3 years, average profit 2%. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you tell that that will be taking care of your answers. Now, next question: should companies in loss also make CSR activities? Should
Mm,
companies that are making loss, should they make CSR activities? The answer is no. They are not only those companies which are making profit need to do this CSR activity. Compelled. If they do it of their own will, it is okay. Understand?
yes, sir.
Now, this question, pledge. What is pledge?
No, sir, I don't know. I'm sorry.
See, pledge comes in the case of, say, movable properties being offered as security, such as jewels, gold jewels. When
Hmm.
they take loan against it, it is being offered as security to the bank. That is known as pledge. The custody of the jewel will be with the bank. The ownership will continue to be in the hands of the customer. That is pledge.
Okay, sir.
Then collateral. Collateral means anything that is offered as security. For example, a house overdraft facility, main security may be the house property. But as a collateral, the person may offer some life insurance policies or some other movable vehicles as additional charge as collateral. Then hypothecation, it will come in the case of movable goods such as cars, scooter, lorry, where the vehicle is charged to the bank for the loans given. The possession will continue to be in the hands of the customer. You must study as a commerce candidate about mortgage, about pledge, about hypothecation, about banker's lien. All these things you have to study.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Next question: how RBI is controlling inflation?
So basically, sir, Reserve Bank of India has a committee named Monetary Policy Committee, which take cares of the inflation. So the repo rate they take care they reduce the repo rate when inflation goes below 2%, and they raise the repo rate when the inflation goes above 2%. So repo rate is basically uh, a rate at which central bank lends the money to the commercial bank against
Stop,
the
stop, stop,
security.
stop, stop. You made a mistake. Say they increase the repo rate only when the inflation goes above 6%. This 2% is for reducing. The expectation of Reserve Bank is 4% plus or minus 2% to 6%. When it goes above 6 only, they will raise the repo rate. Do you follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is why they have not revised this time. Now the inflation is 5.58 or so, but
Yes,
still
sir.
they have not revised it. So that mistake you did, be careful. Otherwise, you are answering very well. I have no doubt that you will be selected provided you get easy questions in the interview. Best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Any questions?